Feast or famine, it seems. The U.S. champion in 2009. And then what a disappointment last year, Olympic year. And she finished 10th at the U.S. Nationals. Failed to make the Olympic team. Thought about retiring. Her problem has always been confidence.
A focus about her skating that we have not seen before. Those jumps, it's how she rotates. Her air position has changed just ever so slightly to give her that extra little straightness, tightness, to give the jump more of a chance to happen. Beautiful spins. Second triple Lutz, so important. And she does it in another combination. On these spins, the speed, flexibility. See in her face, she knows she's got this program. Is Alyssa's dream come true? What else could you want in a woman figure skater? What else do you want? Alyssa Sisney has it all, and she just delivered it. What a comeback!
Well, the greatest performances are the ones that transcend the rules and sweep you away. And that's
She's got it all.
What a great reaction.